So here we are, back to see how the drying is getting on. It's saying 5 minutes left, but it's been saying that for about the last 10 minutes. I presume it's not moving on just because it's still very damp. You can see, lovely sunny day. This room is very warm, even though the engineer suggested it might not be dry because the room might be a bit cool. But we've got a proper room, we've got a radiator next door, so always nice and warm. If I just go up, and we can see it says 5 minutes left. I'm just going to have a pause there. Now, a bit misted up on the door, not looking too hopeful. If I just open up, have a feel, and that is still completely soaking wet. Literally not dry at all on that pillowcase. It's as it was when it went in. If I have a look on the door, let's take this out for an easier look. Let's have a look at that reservoir. I mean, there's literally no water in there, nothing at all. I had got a jug ready to fill up with water to see how little there was, but I don't think there's even going to be any in there to measure. It's literally such a tiny amount. Now this is in big contrast to when we bought the tumble dryer and it was filling up and we were having to regularly empty it. Now obviously that is a big problem. Shows us that nothing is being dried in the dryer. Again, coming back just to show, these are still completely damp, really dried nothing at all. Now it's really done nothing. This is literally a soaking wet bed sheet. A bit tricky for me to show you that on the screen, but you can certainly see nothing has come out into the reservoir. Okay, now in the past I've put this on for a second and even third cycle, so we've been drying items for 7-8 hours just to try and get them near dry. Again, that's complete nonsense, and it wasn't like that when we first bought the machine.